Happy Thanksgiving! This is Chi Lee, your top real estate agent and broker from San Diego County. It's time for a market update for San Diego County for the past month of October 2024. The inflation slightly increased to 2.6% in October compared to 2.4% in September, which led to the Fed to cut interest rates by 0.25% in November to 4.5 to 4.75%. The consumer sentiment points in October slightly increased to 70.5 points from September's 70.1 points and increased from 63.8 points at the same time last year. The median single-family home price increased to $1,010,000 in San Diego County. The median price in October increased 1% compared to September, but increased 7.9% in comparison to last year. Just for the city of San Diego, the median price for a single-family home was $1.25 million, an increase of 2% from last year. The sales volume of single-family homes increased 10.5% in comparison to last month and increased 14.3% compared to the same time last year. We continue to see an increase in inventory. There were 2,946 active listings in October, which is a 50.5% increase in comparison to the same time last year. We observed higher increases farther outside the city of San Diego, in cities like Spring Valley, La Mesa, San Marcos, and Poway, where the increase in inventory is over 100%. Now let's review the market competition. The median days in the market, or the number of days that it takes for homes to be pending, was 20 days, compared to 14 days at the same time last year. The sales to list price was again 100%, which means that a home listed for $1 million was expected to sell for $1 million. 34% of the active listings had reduced prices, compared to 33.7% at the same time last year. Now let's look at rental rates in the city of San Diego. The average rent price stayed about the same. The monthly rent for a one-bedroom home in San Diego was $2,445, $3,395 for a two-bedroom, and $4,481 for a three-bedroom. Let's see how much you need in order to buy a house in San Diego County. The median home price for a one-bedroom home in San Diego County was $476,000, which will require a monthly payment of $2,936 with a 20% down payment at the time of your purchase. The median home price for a two-bedroom family home was $650,000, which will require a monthly payment of $4,010 with a 20% down payment at the time of your purchase. The median home price for a three-bedroom home was $892,000 and $1.5 million for homes with 4 bedrooms and above. The interest rate slightly increased in October. The 30-year fixed interest rate was 6.43%, an increase from 6.18% in September and a decrease from 7.62% at the same time last year. Mortgage application increased after the election despite the higher interest rates. Now that the election has been decided, buyers have resumed the search after an election pause. It will be interesting to see whether more buyers or sellers come in the new year, which will ultimately decide the price of homes. And that was the market recap for the month of October 2024. Thank you.